So today we're eating a Impossible Whopper from Burger King, and I would say it's really good. Probably a better fast food burger I've had. And if you don't know what Impossible is, that is the most meatless burger patty out there by Impossible Foods. It's pretty good. It has comes with a patty that kind of looks like meat. Pickles, tomatoes, some lettuce, and mayo something, and ketchup. Probably not a real mayo because it's supposed to be vegan. No cheese. It's pretty good, I like it. But you know what would make this better if there was cheese and more patty. Impossible patty. So let's try it. Oh my god, it's so big! And there's cheese! Wow. I think it's pretty massive. Oh. Oh yeah. This is way better. It's definitely, like, I would say go for double the patty, because then you can taste it much more, and cheese, if you're not vegan, is great. I don't think they have vegan cheese.
Not at Burger King now.
No Burger King, no Burger King. Nom nom nom.
You can always like grab the picture from here, right?
I could, but we can just take a picture now.
Okay, and do like this maybe. Don't make that face.